Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to you in your English class. Okay students, we will start our class with ABCD poem. Stand up and let's start. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Okay students, we have learned name F, sound F, sound F, and the formation. Today we will move forward the reading. Okay students, first we will revise the previous lecture. Look at this alphabet chart. Yes, A and its sound A. This is A and the sound A. A, 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 A. This is B. This is B and the sound B. B sound B. B sound B. This is C. Sound K. C sound K. C sound K. C sound K. D. D. D sound D. D sound D. D sound D. E. E. E sound E. E sound E. E sound E. F. F. F sound F. F sound F. F sound F. Okay students, now we will move toward the reading. Okay students, open your book, page number 14. This is F and the sound F. The sound F. Okay, now look at these things. Look at these things. बच्चों, ये साउंड से स्टार्ट होते हैं. Okay, frog. What is this? Frog. What is this? Frog. Frog. The beginning sound of frog is frog. Okay. What is this? A fish. What is this? Fish. What is this? Fish. The beginning sound of fish is f. What is the beginning sound of fish? F. मेरे साथ पढ़ें. Fish. Fish. Okay. What is this? Fan. What is this? Fan. What is this? Fan. The beginning sound of fan is f. The beginning sound of fan is f. बच्चों, फैन का बिगनिंग साउंड है. मेरे साथ पढ़ें. फैन. फैन. Okay. Finger. What is this? Finger. What is this? Finger. The beginning sound of finger is f. The beginning sound of finger is f. बच्चों, मेरे साथ पढ़ें. finger, finger, finger. What is this? Face. ये क्या है बच्चों? Face. What is this? Face. The beginning sound of face is face. 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 Okay. A flag. This is a flag. मेरे साथ पढ़ें. Flag. What is this? Flag. The beginning sound of flag is flag. Flag. Okay, we will repeat once again. Frog, fish, fan, finger, face, flag. Okay students, after the reading, now it's story time. It's story time. This is F and the sound F. This is F and the sound F. Story of F. Story of F. Okay, let's start. Once Farooq cut his finger by a fork. Once Farooq, he is Farooq, cut his finger by a fork. By a fork. Farooq cut his finger by a fork. He went to the hospital where a flag was fluttering. Where a flag was fluttering. A flag was fluttering. In the hospital, he saw a fish pot. In the hospital, he saw a fish pot. He saw colorful fish and a frog. He saw colorful fish and a frog. Fish and a frog. As he tried to touch the fish by his finger. As he tried to touch the fish by his finger, the water splattered on his face. On his face. He set down the fan. He set down the fan and looked the fish fluttering in the fish pot. Okay, do you like the story? Okay, now we will repeat once again. But this time I will ask the questions. Okay, be careful. Once Farooq cut his finger by a fork. Who cut his finger? Okay, tell me, who cut his finger? Yes, Farooq cut his finger. Farooq cut his finger. He went to the hospital where a flag was fluttering. Okay, now tell me, what was fluttering? Yes, a flag. A flag was fluttering. In the hospital, he saw a fish pot. What did he see in the hospital? Yes, a fish pot. He saw colorful fishes and a frog. Now tell me, what did he see? Fish and frog. Fish and frog. As he tried to touch the fish by his finger. as he tried to touch the fish by his finger. The water spluttered on his face. Where the water spluttered? Over his face. He set down the fan. He set where? Down the fan. Down the fan. And looked the fish fluttering in the fish pot. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद है आपको स्टोरी पसंद आई होगी. नाउ इट्स योर होमवर्क टाइम. ओपन योर बुक, पेज नंबर 15. ओके बच्चों, ये F है और ये डॉट से लिखा हुआ F. आपने इसको ट्रेस करना है और नीचे वाली लाइन में आप खुद से F लिखेंगे. बच्चों, आप F कितनी लाइंस में लिखेंगे? यस, इन अपर 3 लाइंस, 1, 2 एंड 3. इस वाली लाइन को आप छोड़ देंगे. ये आपका होमवर्क है. ओके, नाउ एन एक्टिविटी. पुट अ टिक. Put a tick. What is this? Fan. You will write F here. आप यहाँ पर. Okay students, this is a fan and egg. बच्चों, इन दोनों में से जिसका बिगिनिंग साउंड F है, आपने उसको टिक करना है. अगर ये इसका बिगिनिंग साउंड फ है तो आपने यहाँ टिक करना है, और अगर एग का बिगिनिंग साउंड फ है तो आपने यहाँ पर टिक करना है. ओके, इसको देखें और वो चीज़ें जो एफ से स्टार्ट होती हैं आपने उसको टिक करना है. ओके, दिस इज योर होमवर्क. Look at these 2 things and these 2 things. Pick the 4 sound things. Okay, this is your homework. होमवर्क के दौरान अपनी एक अच्छी सी वीडियो बनवाएं और हमसे शेयर करें. ओके बच्चों, दुआओं में याद रखें. अल्लाह हाफिज़.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.